Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I am Bella of Moment with Bella. So today is the 1st of December and that thing that you see over there with little bags hanging, that is my advent calendar. And here in Germany they have an advent calendar. That is where you get, it's basically a calendar, but it only has 24 days. And these 24 days you get a little something, like a little treasure every day for the 24 days. So since I came and I discovered it, I really like it. It's mostly for children, but I'm like, hey, I didn't have this when I was a kid, so why not? So my husband been giving me these. So this one he made up himself. He said it is good for my body, soul and spirit. So I actually don't know what he put in those little things, but I will show you. And then my mother-in-law of course know that I also like this thing, and she got me this. My mother-in-law and my father-in-law, so my parents-in-law, they got me this, and I'm going to open this too. I will be opening one every single day from both calendars. One from here and then one from there, and then I show you what's inside. So let's do it. Okay, it's easy to get off. So here is day number 1. So let's start with this, the one that my husband gave me. Okay, for my body, soul and mind. This we're going to find out together. I know one of it. For the body, I know what it is. For my soul and mind, that's what I don't know. As a letter. And then, oh, what the heck? And there's a little picture of me. Oh my God. There's a little picture of me from one of our adventures. Okay, now that got me surprised. That is a complete surprise. He printed... What? Okay. Okay, it said, welcome to your Advent Calendar 2023. Each day we will have a little workout together. Each day we will have a little workout together. Even if I cannot be with you, okay, because he's away for work, and I will tell you every day something about you that I love and appreciate, because I love you dearly and truly. Your Hendrik. Oh my God, it's so romantic. Okay, tell you a little story. I used to say my husband is not romantic. I'll be taking it back 1,000 times, because he has proven me wrong 120%. So here's my love note, and signed by my Hendrik. And I have 3 exercises that I will do each day. That is for my body and soul and mind. I still have to figure that out. For my, well, exercises for my body. Okay, every day when he tells me something he loves about me, I think it's for my soul, I hope. And then a little picture of me, well, maybe this is for my soul. A little picture of me is for my soul, and then what he tells me is for my mind. I have no idea. He has to tell me which one is for my soul and which one is for my mind, because the body, I got it down. Very, very nice. I appreciate this more than chocolates, because I don't like chocolate that much. And then let me open this one from my parents-in-law. Okay, they all fall down. This one from my parents-in-law. And this is day 1. This one says, now every day is a good hair day. So this is something for the hair, but let's see what it is. I'm super excited. Okay. Wow, who knew you'll get something like this? Very, very useful. Thank you. Very, very useful and appropriate for my hair. Okay. Like my long hair, I have to grab it's even combing through my braids. These are little braids, but because it's a wide tooth comb, very practical, very, very needed. So that's it for my advent calendar. I really, really love it. I really appreciate it. And yes, I feel loved. So we'll see each other tomorrow again, but from tomorrow on I'll do 4 days because I have already done this day, and I will post this hopefully tomorrow. Hi guys, this is day number 2, December 2nd, and we are going to open our calendar day number 2.
That you got from your very romantic husband, correct?
Yeah.
The one that is humble and so, and good looking?
The one that is very, very humble and good looking. So here's day 2. So what do we have on day number 2? Yesterday's one was so nice. It was super, super surprised. And then he drew a smile.
That smile, that's what I mean.
Is this my smile right here? Look at this smile, guys. Oh, thank you, babe. And I struggle to read because hubby's handwriting here is like a doctor's handwriting. And then I have the 3 exercise, 20 squats today, 20, what is limb rises?
Where you kneel and you have to raise the opposite
like
limbs.
This.
Yes.
I don't know. Is it called birds?
I don't
Something
know.
like that. Okay, and then 25 sit-ups. I cannot do sit-ups.
You have to.
Okay, so let me just get over with it.
Oh my goodness.
So 20 squats. And 2, 3, 4. Let me see if I can count in German. 6, 7, 8. Is it like this?
Yeah.
1, how many? 20?
Yes.
2, 3, 4.
I think the glühwein didn't help, huh?
6, oh my gosh. 7 is my socks. Wait, is my socks. To take off the shirt. How many?
Another 5.
Seriously?
No.
That was 17.
4.
19. 20.
And the 15 that you forgot.
Is that a bullet?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't help when you just come from the restaurant. And then you had
Sit-ups.
wine. Sit-ups, I cannot do sit-ups.
That's not sitting. 2. 3.
Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do 20 of this?
Should I stand on your feet?
No, I just can't do
4.
sit-ups. You feel?
4. 5. 70. 18. 19. One more. 20. Yeah, good.
Day number 2.
Warte. So.
Number 2 is here. This is for my parents-in-law. What do I have? Yeah. Creamy. Enjoy. Repeat.
No reason to scream.
Because I'm excited. What is creamy? Is it a liquor?
All beauty products and stuff, I think.
That is. Oh, here. Wow, we have to twist so hard. It smells good. Wow, I like this calendar because it really has a lot of. It smells so good.
Check my hair.
Smells,
Oh, yeah. Nice.
smells good. So, thank you for watching. If you like this, give it a thumb. If you enjoy it, share it and follow me for more and see what I have for the rest of my days until the 24th. Hi guys, today is day number 3, I think. Yes, today is day number 3 of my Christmas calendar. And I'm going to open my career here. I'm like this because we just came from the walk and I didn't want to get comfortable. I will get too comfortable before I open it. So what do I find here today? Do you know what's in day number 3?
No.
It's a good thing that you also forgot, so we can see it together. And the exercise. Okay. 30 mountain climbers, 20 high knees, and 30 lunges. Okay, should I go to that or do this one first? So I'll do the other calendar before I do my exercise.
Yeah. Let it just sit there.
Number 3 is where? This thing, I like it because it's a hand right here. Number 3 is eat more of what makes you happy.
What makes you happy? Pup? Do you think there's pup in there?
What makes me happy that I can eat meat. Eat more meat.
I don't think there's meat in there.
No. Is it chocolate? It's berry. Some bio berry. I will open it.
Are they covered in chocolate?
That was a cherry chocolate. But it doesn't taste sugary. I guess that's why it says bio. It's not so nice that you find all kind of treasure that you don't know nothing about. I haven't done this in a long time. What do I do? Counting on one leg?
However you want.
Or 2 legs?
No, 15 on one leg.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 30. I counted on one leg. And then 20 high knees. 27.
One more.
Forward.
You forgot 17.
No.
Okay, that's it for today.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Today's the 4th day. Right? Is it the 4th day? Yes, today is the 4th day. I was confused. And then I hope sometimes today, however late it is, I can edit the video and put up the first 4 days of my advent calendar. So let's do it. Okay, so I have the bag here. It is day number 4. It is very exciting for me to find out all the little things that my husband said. He said some of them are not for the camera. Some of them are not to be said on camera. But I'm more excited about the pictures as well. Just to see what kind of picture is in here today. And it's a long one. This one is of me at Spitskoppe in Namibia. I don't think I should really be reading you this note, you guys, man. Do you want to? Okay, it says you opened my world to African culture, be it food, music, behavior, stories. It says stories and he put in brackets, jackals and a hyena. Oh, story Hoshimbuna Kanje. I told him that story. Can you imagine? You made me understand a lot much better. And I love it. Thanks. And so today the exercises are also 3. And it's 25 jumping jacks. What? You remember? We started with 10 and then, no, not 10, 20. The first day I didn't do anything, and then the last 2 days I did the exercises on camera. But here he said 25 jumping jacks, where you jump and do this. 15 burpees. This man has the nerve to give me burpees. And then 20 flutter kicks. Oh, I don't like these things. The last two, the 2 I don't like. The burpees I like. The flutter kicks I don't like. But I will not do the exercise right now. Maybe I'll do them later. But let me open the one from my parents-in-law. It's a hair clip. Wow. Look, it's a hair clip. It works. Perfect. Let me put it to good use. Yes, with a paper. There. Can you see it? Perfect. This is actually really perfect. Let me take the paper out and just be using it today. Look, how nice. Because I do not like the hair on my face at all. This has a good, nice hold. Ta-da! Can you see it? Wow, worked perfect. So that's it for today. I think to not make the video long, I'm gonna do my exercise later off camera. 25 jumping jacks, 15 burpees. You would have loved to see me doing burpees. And then 20 flutter kicks. Thank you for watching. Please stick around so that you can see my treasure for the next 4 days, and I'll upload again. Thank you very much. Bye.